Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning. Today class 12th biology. The chapter is human reproduction and today's concept is menstrual cycle or reproductive cycle or menstruation or menses that occurs in female primates including monkeys, apes and human beings. So dear student, according to this cycle, menstrual cycle, the rhythmic series of changes, that is sequential, occur in the reproductive organs of female primates. Means reproductive organs of female primates, this cycle occurs. And primates like monkey, apes and human beings. So this is known as menstrual cycle or menstruation or menses. Now, second thing, menstrual cycle or menstruation repeated at an average interval of about 28 days or 29 days. Means this cycle occurs as a regular interval. After 29 days, same cycle, same phase repeated again. So the first appearance, or you can say one set of menstruation. Appearance of first menstruation at puberty is called menarche, and this menarche occurred at the age of 11 to 12 years. This is for girls. Now this menstrual cycle further divided into 4 phases. So first one is menstrual phase. Second one, follicular phase or proliferative phase. Third one, ovulatory phase, and last one is luteal phase. Now student, this menstrual phase lasts about 1 to 3 days. Follicular phase or proliferative phase occurred 5 days to 13 days. This is a type. Ovulatory phase exactly 14th or 15th day. Any one of two. 14th day or 15th day. Luteal phase lasts from this is a 16 to 28 days. So this is about time period for which this cycle proceeds. Menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase and luteal phase. So these are the phases of menstrual cycle. Now student, the diagrammatic representation of menstrual cycle here. So in this diagrammatic representation, you people see how is menstrual cycle carried out in a human female. So dear student, as you know very well, the cycle divided into 4 parts. 1 to 5 days menstruation or menstrual phase, 6 to 13 days follicular phase or proliferative phase, on 14th or 15th of the day ovulatory phase, 16 to 27 this is a luteal phase, and this luteal phase also known as secretory phase because hormones secreted by the structure that develop in this phase. And next 29 or first, this is the beginning of next cycle. So here first one about menstruation or menstrual phase. So in this phase, soft tissues of endometrium disintegrate along with blood vessels, and these form a flow that having unfertilized egg, soft lining of endometrium, blood vessels and blood. So it lasts from 3 to 5 days. So this is the beginning of menstrual cycle, means menstruation or menstrual phase. Second is about follicular phase. So in this follicular phase, 2 hormones regulated this follicular phase. One is FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. So this is a pituitary hormone level, and second is LH. FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. LH, this is a luteinizing hormone. Both the hormones released from anterior lobe of pituitary and regulate the menstrual cycle. So, in this follicular phase and proliferative phase, so many oogonia like developing follicle, you know very well, primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle and mature follicle. So this mature follicle is known as Graafian follicle. So Graafian follicle contain primary oocyte. So during follicular phase, when FSH and LH in a regular manner, so here this endometrium regenerate, means maintains its thickness, along with means so more and more blood vessels highly vascularized, and this event means thickening of endometrium regulated by FSH, LH These are the two ovarian hormone, and estrogen that release from ovary means ovarian hormone. So here this is a estrogen and this is a progesterone. So this follicular phase lasts from 6 to 13 days of this cycle. Now, mid of this cycle, when the level of estrogen high and the level of LH is too high, so it induces rupturing of Graafian follicle. Means this Graafian follicle ruptures and ovum release from the Graafian follicle. So this is known as ovulatory phase or ovulation. Dear student, remaining of this corpus luteum means remaining part transformed into a yellow colored body. This yellow colored body is known as corpus luteum. So this corpus luteum means developing of corpus luteum. This is occurred in luteal phase or secretory phase. So when corpus luteum form, you know very well it is a kind of endocrine gland. And this corpus luteum secreted progesterone. So you know very well, progesterone maintains the thickening of endometrium and it also helps in maintenance of pregnancy. So dear student, if fertilization occurred, then the level of progesterone is too high and this corpus luteum does not degenerate. And if fertilization does not occur due to absence of sperm, so this corpus luteum converted into corpus albicans. Corpus albicans. And corpus albicans, so this is a regressing corpus luteum, means corpus luteum disintegrate. So that is the next cycle begin. So dear student, here four things are. One is uterine events, means changes in uterine endometrium of the uterus. Second, ovarian hormone level, means hormones that release from ovary, that is the estrogen and one progesterone. Next is ovarian events, means changes that occur inside ovary, means development of follicle, and this is a cyclic event. Now fourth is pituitary hormone level. So hormones released like FSH and LH that also regulated this cycle. So dear student, about menstrual cycle, about menstruation or menses, four phases are there and these phases carried in a sequential way. Now one more thing here, permanent stoppage of menstruation or menstrual cycle. It is known as menopause and it occurs at the age of 45 to 50 years of female. So one is the menarche, beginning of the menstrual cycle, One is the menopause, stoppage of menstrual cycle. So dear student, this is a for you about menstrual cycle. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.